Hello, friends. Do you know anybody without proper IT knowledge or IT experience learn the Mulesoft course like a or any IT course in 2 months and crack the interview and performing in their job in excellent manner? It's quite difficult. Maybe some people with extraordinary talent can be achieved this kind of feat by learning any software course in 2 months with full focus and get placed and they're performing their job in excellent manner. But majority of people, it's not possible. We need to spend some time, we need to digest those concepts, and we need to practice the complex IT scenarios, and we need to do some kind of project or assignment. These are all process takes at least 3 to 4 months with proper guidance. Hey, I'm Srinu. I'm a technical architect and IT trainer. Since 2018, I'm in IT training. I train hundreds of people in Mulesoft and Java technologies. Um, what I recognized, what I observed is those people who starting the Mulesoft journey, they are starting the Mulesoft journey without proper basement, proper fundamentals. They're just jumping to the Mulesoft, joining any Mulesoft course. If the guy has some knowledge about IT, maybe from CSC background or IT computer science background, and do some kind of IT courses, then okay, it's fine. But today nowadays, diverse background people are learning IT courses, right? So it's not like only the computer science people are joining IT course. Diverse, anybody can learn IT course easily and can get job in IT companies easily, right? So if you are a candidate from a different field and you want to pursue your job, your future in IT, and you want to learn a course like Mulesoft, before starting your Mulesoft journey, you need to have some idea how the enterprise systems work. So now today my intention of this session is I want to give you a roadmap path. What the things are required to start Mulesoft journey. Let me share my screen for a moment. So to start Mulesoft journey, the first and foremost thing is you need to have some understanding of HTTP protocol. All internet and web works on HTTP protocol. So 80% of MuleSoft calls on HTTP protocol, on REST calls and HTTP protocols. So you to have idea about HTTP, what is HTTP, how the request and response transfer happen, what is request, what is response, all the stuff. This session I give only the brief idea of the topics you need to learn to start MuleSoft journey. I will take another session to explain detailedly what is HTTP, how to learn HTTP, and I can give the details of HTTP. Likewise, what are the other topics also. The second topic you need to have get idea is about the JSON. So these are the documents who travel back and forth between the systems. So that structure, the JSON, you need to understand what is JSON, what is JSON structure, what is data is organized as part of JSON. That's you need to learn before starting your MuleSoft, as well as about XML, how to organize data in XML document. That is a fundamental thing you need to learn before starting your MuleSoft. And some basic tools like to test any MuleSoft application. There is tools like Postman and Soap UI, and these things. Just it is freely available on internet. Download and you can test the Postman Soap UI. And if you have some idea for basic programming concepts like what are loops, what are conditions, so that is useful in MuleSoft journey. And there is some kind of I can't say it's misconception, kind of misconception like Mulesoft is there is no programming knowledge required in the Mulesoft. Partially it is true. Most of the time you drag and drop the component, you configure the component, but it's not totally true. Sometimes Mulesoft is a kind of mediator. It sits between the systems and applications. It will take message from one system and some kind of processing, some kind of transformation on that message and delivers to other system, right? So in the part of processing, you may do some kind of thing of transformation. Their coding is involved, so it's better to have the basic coding language, coding fundamentals. So you can say that 30 to 40%, 30% is the kind of coding, and 70% is configuration. But you need to have kind of programming mindset to excel in the Mulesoft. It's not like I do only some. It's not kind of graphical work, drag and drop, do some kind of creative graphical work. That's not like that. If you have a programming mindset, how to define a flows, how to manage the flows, that you can do excellent job in Mulesoft. So get some programming language. That's a recommendable, right? And if you have just you to have idea of enterprise systems, not deeply, like what is database, where database used, what are messaging queues, and what is Salesforce, a high level idea of these tools, what is the basic functionality or requirement of those tools, like database, um, FTP, and Salesforce, what is Amazon. So very high level idea, that is fine. If not, okay, that's fine. It's not required to start your Mulesoft journey, but if you have that idea, it's good. That's it. But basically, if you start your Mulesoft journey, you need to have the first three things is must, like understanding HTTP protocol, JSON, and XML. These three skills you must need to start the Mulesoft. Thank you so much for joining live with me. Um, Please attend the next session also to learn the details of this all these topics. Thank you.